Hi, 8th graders. Welcome to your very first week of online learning with My Life 2.0. I'm going to be explaining instructions for every lesson every week in a video very similar to this. So you'll need to watch them every time so you get all of your instructions. I'll make it quick. So you'll see on our announcement that I have some links. Step 1 was to watch this video, which you're doing now. Then you'll follow the Naviance link and you'll sign in. So click on the Naviance link. That'll bring you to this page. You're gonna sign in first by using our school zip code, which is 49423. And we are Holland Middle School. Okay, this is important. Make sure to click Login with Clever. You guys, sometimes we mess that up. So that will bring you to a page where it'll ask you to log in with Google. So you'll click that. You will use the account that you would like to use, which is your Holland Public Schools account, and it will bring you to this page. So again, important to find our 3 lessons for this week. You need to scroll down to the very bottom, and you will see right here, there's this purple box that says Naviance College Career and Life Readiness Curriculum. Our keyword's curriculum. We're going to click on that. And you'll see that we have 3 lessons. Okay, so the first lesson is My Study Skills. The next one is My Personal School Network and My High School Preview. It really doesn't matter which order you do them in, but you can do them in this order if you want. So I've already actually done each of these lessons. I do the work that you guys do, but you'll see they're actually fairly quick. Each one should only take you about 5 minutes, even less than that if you're a quick typer. So you'll need to read, and this is kind of like giving you some information. When you are done reading, it's going to ask you to do things like making a list. You'll choose something from that list. You kind of make a plan, and that's it. They are all pretty quick. One of them requires you to watch a video, so make sure to watch the full video right here. It's only 4 minutes long, so please watch that so you can answer the question successfully. When you are done, then you are going to go back to Google Classroom, and you'll see our last link is to a Google form. If you are in Ms. Rowell's class, you know that we use Google Forms all the time. I think Mr. Worley students, you guys are also familiar with these. So the Google form, whoops, it looks like this, okay? So it's gonna ask you some questions, asking you which hour you're in, which teacher you have. That's important for grading purposes. And then if you'll scroll down, so it'll ask you to reflect on the Naviance activities. And one of our key vocabulary words is the word support network. So one of those Naviance lessons talks about support networks, but make sure to really pay attention to that because that's kind of our key vocab word from that lesson. So you'll answer all of these. Some of them are graded, so you'll see that they are worth like 1 point and so on. Down here, this might look familiar to some of you. So the high school counselor, Miss Loveland, emailed many of you with a video and with a Google form where you will request which high school classes you want to sign up for, and also if you're interested in the Holland Early College program. So you need, if you haven't already, even if you did the Google form, you need to watch this video because the video explains how high school classes will work, how high school schedules will work, and if you look, I have questions. It's giving you the correct answers. All right, well, I have some questions about the things that she covers in that video. So to be successful on this Google form quiz, you need to read that video, or I also have the link to her presentation. So if you would rather read it, I'm also okay with that. So you can follow this link and it brings you to her presentation, which looks like this, and it has all of the answers to our Google form quiz, okay? If you've already watched this video, you can try answering the quiz questions, but if you need a review, just follow that presentation form. The last thing I'm going to have you do, you'll see action required, and if you have not already, you need to go to the Google form, which is right here, okay? If you have done the form, but you did not watch the video first, you actually need to probably redo the form. And one big thing that she really noticed that a lot of people skipped was the Holland Early College program, because on this Google form, she wants to know if you want to do that. So please consider Holland Early College.